हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, बेटा ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ए न्यू फॉर्म, न्यू इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म। सो 0 इनटू इनफिनिटी, देखो ਹੁਣ तक जो ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਉਹ 0/0 फॉर्म सी और इनफिनिटी ओवर इनफिनिटी फॉर्म। सो अगर मैं 0 इंटू इनफिनिटी की गल करा, so 0 into infinity, infinity means something non-zero number over 0, for example 2 over 0. So this can be written as 0 into 2 over 0, 0 over 0. So 0 into infinity can be written in 0 over 0 form, or this can also be written as 0 into infinity. So infinity divided by 1 over 0, something non-zero over 0. So 1 over 0 is again infinity. So means अगर असी 0 into infinity की गल करिए, या तो तुहाडे कोल 0 which can be converted into 0/0 form or infinity over infinity form. Okay students, सो अगर 0/0 फॉर्म बनती है या इनफिनिटी ओवर इनफिनिटी फॉर्म बनती है तो फिर असी वी कैन सॉल्व द लिमिट, वी कैन फाइंड द लिमिट बाय एल हॉस्पिटल रूल। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस। लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू π/2, x माइनस π/2 इंटू सीकेंट एक्स। तो अगर असी इस क्वेश्चन की गल करिए, सो π/x एज x अप्रोचेस टू π/2, सो दिस अप्रोचेस टू 0 एंड सीकेंट π/2 इज इनफिनिटी, सो 0 इंटू इनफिनिटी फॉर्म। नाउ लिमिट x अप्रोचेस टू π/2, सो x माइनस π/2 एज इट इज, वी कैन राइट सीकेंट x 1 over cos x, मीन्स इन दिस वे। Now look at the question. Now as x approaches to π/2, this is 0. Numerator is becoming 0 and denominator cos π/2 is again becoming 0. Now it is becoming 0/0 form. So 0/0 form we can apply L Hospital rule. 1 divided by minus sin x by L Hospital rule. Now it is becoming determinate form, so we can put the value of x minus 1 sin π/2 minus 1 over 1, which so total answer is -1. Now one more question. Limit x approaches to 0, x into log x. Now 0, this factor is becoming 0 and log 0 is minus infinity, so this is becoming 0 into infinity form. So I will write it as log x over 1 over x. x ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖ ਲਿਆ 1 over 1 over x. Now it is becoming log 0 infinity divided by 1 over 0 infinity, so it is becoming infinity over infinity form. So therefore by L Hospital rule, derivative of log x is 1 over x and derivative of 1 over x is minus 1 over x square. So after simplifying it, we will get limit x approaches to 0, x. Now it is becoming determinate form. Numerator is becoming 0 and denominator is 1. So we will put the value and we'll get the answer 0. Now some more question. Limit x approaches to 0, sin x into log of x square. Now sin 0 is 0 and log 0 is minus infinity, so it is becoming 0 into infinity. Now sin x, I will write sin x as 1 over sin x, means 1 over cosecant x. So therefore limit x approaches to 0, log of x square divided by cosecant x, means limit x approaches to 0, 2 log x divided by cosecant x. Now log 0 is infinity minus infinity divided by cosecant 0 is again minus cosecant 0 is infinity, so it is becoming infinity over infinity form. Now we can apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x approaches to 0, 2 into 1 over x. Derivative of cosecant is minus cosecant x into cot x. So this is minus limit x approaches to 0, 2 1 over sin x इंटू कॉस एक्स ओवर साइन एक्स. सो अगर असं सिंपली गल करिए कोसीकेंट एक्स में अगर लिखना मैं 1 ओवर साइन एक्स, सो दिस इज साइन एक्स ओवर एक्स मीन्स 1 ओवर एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय 1 ओवर साइन एक्स. सो दिस इज साइन एक्स ओवर एक्स एंड 1 ओवर कॉट एक्स आई विल राइट इट एज tan x. नाउ लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू 0, साइन एक्स ओवर एक्स इज 1 and tan 0 approaches to 0, so this is minus 2 into 1 into 0, so total answer is 0. Now student, next question is limit x approaches to infinity x into tan inverse 2 over x. Now as x approaches to infinity, first factor is becoming infinity and second tan inverse 2 over infinity is 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, so this is infinity into 0. So infinity into 0, I will write it as limit x approaches to infinity tan inverse 2 over x divided by 1 over x. Now it is becoming 0 by 0 form, therefore by L'Hospital rule, limit x approaches to 0, we will differentiate numerator and denominator, minus 1 over x square, derivative of 1 over x, and derivative of tan inverse u is 1 over 1 plus u square into derivative of u, means 1 over 1 plus 2 over x whole square into derivative of 2 over x is minus 2 over x square. Now cancel 1 over negative 1 over x square, we will get limit x approaches to infinity 2 into 1 over 1 plus 4 over x square. Now if x will approach to infinity, 4 over infinity 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1. Now it is becoming determinant form. So we will apply the limit 1 over 1 plus 0, which is equal to 2. So students, in this way we can find the limits. So one more question, evaluate limit x approaches to infinity 2 to the power x sin a over 2 to the power x. Now 2 to the power infinity is infinity. Now a over infinity is 0, sin 0 is 0, so this is infinity over infinity into 0 form. 0 infinity into 0 form. So we will convert this into 0 by 0 or infinity over infinity form. Limit x approaches to infinity, sin a over 2 to the power x divided by 1 over 2 to the power x. Now it is becoming 0 by 0 form. So therefore by L'Hospital rule, limit x approaches to 0, infinity, derivative of sin u is cos u, cos theta, इंटू डेरीवेटिव ऑफ थीटा। सो डेरीवेटिव ऑफ थीटा की अगर असी गल करिए a ओवर x मीनस a इंटू 2 टू द पावर माइनस x। सो डेरीवेटिव ऑफ थीटा मीनस डेरीवेटिव ऑफ a इंटू 2 टू द पावर माइनस x, a इंटू 2 टू द पावर माइनस x के डेरीवेटिव की गल करिए दैट इज a 2 टू द पावर माइनस x इंटू लॉग 2 इंटू माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय सिमिलरली इन द डिनोमिनेटर 2 to the power minus x, because 1 over x can be written as 2 to the power minus x and derivative of 2 to the power minus x is 2 to the power minus x log 2 into minus 1. So cancel this factor. So what we will get, limit x approaches to infinity a into cos a over 2 to the power x. Now cos 0 is 1. Now it is becoming determinant form. So a into cos 0 is 1. So total answer is a. So beta is in this way we can find the limits. So beta ਤੁਹਾਡੇ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ਦੇ 19 पार्ट ने 19. सो सब तो पहला तुसी ਉਹਨੂੰ सॉल्व करो। कल ਆਪਾਂ नैक्सट फॉर्म स्टार्ट करांगे इनफिनिटी माइनस इनफिनिटी। सो अगर ਤੁਹਾਡਾ कोई डाउट होए दैन यू कैन सेंड मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप।